All right, we're inside Pearl Harbourfront in the Queens Quay Terminal. I'm on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. This is gonna be my 5-star review, and it'll be posted in my food channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. And I ordered a bunch of things. So far the ham sweet gok has come out, and there's it's deep fried inside with some meat, and it's hot, so I'll just wait until some of the other dishes come out. And this is, I don't know exactly the time, but it's after the lunch rush. And to me, I like coming around when it's not as busy. This is the view, the Harbourfront waterfront view, Lake Ontario. It's been a while since we had dim sum. And it's kind of hard to grab it like this because it's round. It might slip out, so I like to, you can use your hands. Usually the kids use their hand. You can cut it. So you can ask for a knife, or you can just cut it with your chopstick, like so. I usually like some hot sauce, a little bit of hot sauce. All right. It's kind of like sweet and savory taste to it, and it's crispy on the outside, ooey and gooey inside, but it's good. Take your bite. Very delicious. Can I get some hot sauce, please? But in the long run, I'll just use my hands. So good. This is a big hit in my family. So the next dish is the beef short ribs. I believe these are amazing. Very expensive, but amazing. This is the dim sum size. There is a dinner portion. Usually I would have this with rice, but I have so much food. We have hagao, barbecue pork bun. I'm gonna have leftovers. Because I won't be able to eat all of this, but this is so good. I use my fingers. I think usually you get this in Korean restaurants, Japanese restaurants, and they make it really well. But I think for Chinese, I think they make it really good here. I've had it. It's all coming out now, so. We got the hagao shrimp inside. Again, I use this to, I mean, you can do this, but then get sloppy, right? So you can't eat it like this, but everything's gonna fall off and get messy. So it's better, I find it's better to cut it in half. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce on it. Just a little drop, more than a little drop. Spread it out. And you can do it with soy sauce, but soy sauce is salty. Okay. Thank you. I gotta take a picture. steam. I'll do it here first. So you can all get a view. Steam barbecue. So good. I even just like the breading. Ooh, wow, it's all here. I forgot about that one. Got barbecue part inside. I like the breading part. So good. And the breading part is so nice. Pillowy soft. So we have the beef, well, ngao chang, that's how we say it in Chinese. Beef roll, rice roll. There's many, the restaurants call it different. This one has beef in it. You can get it with shrimp, barbecue pork. What else? But the beef one is the popular one. And it's super delicious. So here it's a bit pricier compared to some other restaurants, but you're paying for the quality, good quality for sure. And the tablecloth service, customer service, the view.
Ready to order? Okay, I'll come back. Yeah.
Take your bite. Take your bite. Let's do that again. Take your bite. They put cilantro in it. They never used to back in the day. Just was simple. But, you know, and back in the day, I never liked cilantro for the longest time. And then one day, I think in the mango salad or something, in tacos, shrimp and tacos, or cilantro. Oh, so good. Now I'm like, can't get enough of it. Hot sauce on it. Yum. So the texture is different for some. It's soft. Don't really have to chew much. Yeah. I used to go with dim sum with somebody that wasn't Chinese, Caucasian, and it took her a while to get used to the beef rice roll. It took her a long time. It's kind of slimy. It is kind of slimy for some. So if you're not used to that kind of texture, even like to pick it up, it's so soft. I might have to cave in and use a fork. Ah, got it. All right, the next one is the Somai. This is the pork with shrimp on top, wrapped in a wonton wrap, I think. This one's good too. Again, I would cut this one. There we go. There's mushrooms inside. Goodbye. Okay, next dish I have here is the turnip cakes. Very good. It's, is it like puree turnips, and there's Chinese sausage in here, I think. And then they pan fry it. All right, so I'm gonna take a bite of this. It's like a potato pancake, but with turnip. So if you're ever visiting Toronto, if you're local and coming down to the Harbourfront area, waterfront area, come into Quay Terminal. They are located on the second floor in the south end of the building. Okay, and make a reservation. Ask for a window seat. Best view ever. And I'm gonna take another bite of my turnip cake. And there's your bite. Take your bite. All right, so come on down to Pearl Harbourfront. They have other locations, I believe, in Oakville. They just opened up a new one, Yonge and Charles Street, downtown Toronto, and one up north area. So check out their website.